go to Laguna. And ang plano ko talagang puntahan is bandang Caliraya, but I don't think aabot ako because time check, it's 3:06 already. Kanina sa Google Maps tinignan ko, halos 4 hours yung travel na Caliraya, which means that I will go 7 o'clock. Sana naman wag umulan, ano? Because it'll be a real bummer if it did. It's June 21, 2025. Today yung summer solstice, which is ito daw yung longest day of the year, no? Sunset is late ngayong araw na ito, no? Welcome back yung Los Baños na Bae, the garden capital of Laguna. Alright, ito na, nasa Bae na tayo, Kapicha, approaching Kalawan, yung intersection. Yes, and time check, it's 5:24. Oh nice. Okay, welcome to Victoria. Ganda na ng arko ng pila. Ganda talaga ng pila, Kapicha, oh. Tingnan mo, yung mga nara, buti hindi pa naputol yung mga to. Santa Cruz. Yay! Kaya ko pa ng 15 minutes. Wow, sakto naman yung pag-ilaw ng Pagsanhan. Pagsanhan Arc. Lumban! Karera pa, dalawang mabagal eh. Pas na ilaw sa Caliraya. Yung tubo pababa. Ilaw na. Oh, nakawala rin. Woohoo! Alright, here we go. Akyatan na. Hey! Woohoo! Please, rain, go away. Please. Oh no. Parang kailangan ko munang patayin yung GoPro. Patayin na natin yung GoPro. Malakas yung agad. Tanggal GoPro muna. Ganda sana ng sunset, no? Alright, Kapicha, we're here at the lakeside na. Woohoo! Ito na yung tambayan. Nabot na rin natin. At gabi na. Oops, may peryaan pa. Peryaan ba to? Ay, hindi pala. Kala ko peryaan. Alright. Yay! Woo! Umabot tayo, Kapicha! Yay! So Kapicha, it's time for us to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Please click like, share, and subscribe kung trip niyo yung mga ganitong vlog live here from Caliraya in Lumban, Laguna. This is your boy Pai saying ride safe, stay safe, and God bless you more. Go out and ride. Bye bye. God bless.